Welcome to the Galvanic Applied Sciences tutorial series. In this video we will show how to set up timers. Start the 903 Analyzer software. Log on. Click Update and enter the password. The default password is 2222. Go to the Timers tab. The Timers tab offers another powerful way to trigger conditional gas run requests other than the ones in the Streams tab. There are three distinct areas: Schedule, Analysis, and Sequencers. It is important to note that any conditional events will only commence after the previous run is completed. For example, if a zero gas run is scheduled to start at 8 a.m. and just before that an H2S run starts an analysis, the zero gas run will wait until the H2S analysis is finished. Therefore, all timed conditional events may not start at the exact time as scheduled. Under Schedule, the Enable box is a global enabler. This box needs to be checked off if anything below it is checked off, including the Enable boxes in the Analysis or Sequences areas. If this Enable box is not checked off, nothing below it will be entered into the operation queue. The hour and minute works on 24-hour military time. The exception to this would be 0 hour. Normally this signifies midnight, but for this application, putting the 0 in the hour field will tell the analyzer to do whatever is scheduled in that column to run every hour. The analyzer cannot execute any gas runs scheduled from 12 a.m. to 12:59 a.m. There are two different ways of initiating runs and sequences. Analysis timers are used to initiate a specific run at a desired time. When it's the designated time for the run to activate, selected runs will execute the number of consecutive runs as selected under the stream page. For example, if calibration run is selected, the number of consecutive runs is 4. Basically, timer will initiate 4 calibration runs and then go back to normal scheduler as configured under the Sequencer tab. In this example, we will set 7:15 to initiate 4 calibration runs and then go back to normal. Type 7:15 and check Stream 1 Calibration. Check both Enable boxes under Analysis and Schedule. Push the Temporary Write to Analyzer button to save changes. This type of timer is usually used if you want to initiate a specific run. The second type of timer is called sequencers. First, you program the desired manual sequence under the sequencer page. For example, under Manual Entries 4. In this example, we'll show how it is possible to initiate specific runs for a specified amount of time. We will show how to calibrate Stream 1 3 times a day for a period of 30 minutes. Type 6:15, 6:45, 14:15, 14:45, 22:15, and 22:45. Check all the Enable boxes under Schedule. Timer 1 will be used to start a conditional gas run, and the next timer will be used to end that gas run, and so forth. So only timer 1, timer 3, and timer 5, manual sequencer 4 will be checked. But all Enable boxes must be checked. You would then press the Temporary Write to Analyzer button and the Permanent Write to Analyzer button for the changes to be saved. This concludes the How to Set Up Timers tutorial.